What's going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Nick Foy, and I've got one goal in 2021, and that's to achieve 10,000 subscribers. So if you could help me out today, just hit that red subscribe button. This is literally the only thing I care about this year. Even though I have rental properties and other businesses, I'm really just trying to focus on growing the YouTube channel this year. So thanks so much for being here, and let's go ahead and dive into today's content I've got for you, and I hope you can find value in it and stick around for future videos. In this video, we're going to learn about what a seller's market is. If you are new to real estate and you keep hearing this term on the news or on social media and you keep seeing people talk about it's a seller's market right now, maybe you're a homeowner and you own a home and you're curious what a seller's market means, how it could benefit you or hurt you. So let's talk about the basics of what a seller's market is so we can clear up any confusion that you might have. So a seller's market just means it's a great time to be a seller. A buyer's market, on the flip side, would mean it's a great time to be a buyer. So in a seller's market, this is a great time for sellers because the demand from buyers is so high that it's pushing home prices higher and higher and higher. Homes are selling quickly because there's just, tons of buyers looking for homes. So anytime new homes come on the market, all these buyers are ready and they see these new homes and they just jump on them real quickly, trying to set up showings to them. So seller's market is a great thing if you're a seller. It means you're going to get multiple offers probably on your property if you're in a really hot market and your home is in a really desirable area and it's in desirable shape. So there's some different factors there that could impact how many offers you get. But in general, when it's a hot seller's market, most homes are getting bidding wars going where buyers are actually above asking price. So the seller might be offering the home for $250,000, but they might see offers coming in for $260,000, $270,000, $280,000, sometimes even higher than that. There's something crazy like out in San Francisco where homes were coming in, $600,000, $1 million above their ask price. It's ridiculous. So with that being said, seller's market, great time to be a seller. If you're thinking about selling, this would be the time maybe to list your home. Again, the days on market is really low. That means that homes are selling quick. So in other words, homes used to maybe needed to sit 30 to 45 days on average before they finally would get sold, but now we're seeing homes selling within the first week of being on the market. So it's pretty crazy, and it's all tied to supply demand. So as soon as the buyer demand would go down, and this buyer craziness goes away, or there's an uptick in supply, a lot of new construction coming online that starts absorbing a lot of that buying demand and takes it away from pre-existing homes that already exist, then this could be some time where homes start to sit on the market longer again. But for right now, when there's so many buyers in the market and there's just not enough homes for sale on the market, inventory is really low. This creates opportunity for sellers to see these multiple offer situations where they can get above their ask price if they price their home appropriately, and they can also see their home selling within the first couple days. We've seen instances where the minute homes hit the market, there are 10, 15 showings already being requested of the new listing within the first hour, 2 hours, and within the first couple of days, the seller's probably not even going to need to be home. Like they're literally going to be out of their house the whole day. Go traveling, go do something, because all day long there's just going to be potential buyers setting up showings to go walk through their home, and it gets pretty crazy. So a lot of times, if it's over the weekend, sellers can might as well just go stay in a hotel and go travel, 5 states away, because your house is going to be so swamped with buyers wanting to come through and check it out. And then by Monday, you probably are going to have 10, 15 offers, sitting there on your desk looking at what should we take. Should we take over ask price? Should we focus on taking a cash offer, a financing, offer from the bank? Which types of offers should we accept? So that's where you'll talk with your real estate agent. They'll review the offers with you and help you make the best decision. But in the seller's market, you're going to have that hot hand of probably getting some cash offers coming in. Cash is king. This means that you don't have to worry about the financing hoops, a buyer going through financing and finding out that for some reason the lender's not going to loan the amount of money that they're trying to pay for the house because the appraiser came out and said the house wasn't worth what the buyer wants to pay for it. Or, maybe the buyer fails to qualify for financing because they lose their job all of a sudden or something crazy like that. So cash offers a lot of times are king because, getting cold hard cash, you don't have to worry about somebody else saying no, like a bank or a financial government agency, that sort of thing. So with that being said, financing it's one route a lot of buyers have to go because they don't have, the entire amount to put down on your house. But there are some people out there that are strong financially who have cash on hand, and you'll see these cash offers come in when you go to list your home. So that's all we've really got for this video. A quick video on what seller's market means. It just means it's a great time to be a seller because there's so many buyers in the market. It's causing prices to go up, so you're able to get more for your home than you would have previously, and homes are selling faster because each time a new house comes on the market, there's not that many for sale. There's low inventory, so all these buyers see this new house come on and they want to go check it out. So you get lots of showings, you get lots of offers quickly, and it just speeds the whole process up. So your home's not sitting for sale 30, 45, 60 days anymore, unless it's in a higher price range where there's not as much buying demand, because not everybody can afford $1 million homes. So if you got $1 million home, it might sit a little bit longer than, let's say, like a $300,000 house that more people could afford. Since you made it to the end of today's video, I want to share with you an amazing resource library I've been putting together, and this is truly going to be one of the best resource libraries out there. Not saying that lightly. I'm putting videos in this library every single month. There's already 50 plus videos in here, and it's going to grow to a couple hundred plus videos. So just hours and hours and hours of content in here, teaching you everything you need to know about real estate investing. So there's real estate lectures. I'll occasionally do some live streams as well, and I'll upload those in here. Got plenty of PDF downloadable resources, worksheets. We're going to have Excel sheets in here, like analyzing real estate deals, so you can use these different Excel sheets. So huge resource library full of training videos. You're going to learn everything you need to know about buying rental properties, flipping houses, financing strategies, where to find these deals, how to market for deals, that sort of thing. But I do have a couple other courses that are mini courses. They're not really mini. They're still full of, tons of videos. So this one, for example, is my rental property investing made simple course. And then I've got these flipping houses made simple. So if you want to learn rental property investing, you can enroll in just the rental property investing course. Again, there's going to be, 30, 40, 50 plus videos, and it's going to grow over time, covering everything you need to know about rental properties. And then same thing with the flipping houses course, just 30, 40, 50 different videos, hours and hours of content to learn how to flip houses. I've been doing both these strategies for over 7 years now. I own, multiple rental properties. I've had, thousands of dollars in flipping profits, in the six figures. So these are tips and experiences, live walkthroughs of houses that I'm, buying and renovating. I show you through one of my most recent flips that I did. So check those courses out, or check out the master course, the Real Estate Investing School. This is going to have, even a larger selection of content to go through, teaching you all kinds of different strategies like Airbnb, land development, new construction, in addition to renting and fixing up houses. So all you got to do is go to asknickfoy.teachable.com. So let's go out here to my homepage just to show you what it looks like, asknickfoy.teachable.com. And I'll link to it below in this YouTube video as well for you. But you can see the 3 different courses there that I've got, and then I've got some other ones you can check out, but these are the 3 main ones right now I've got students enrolling in. So Real Estate Investing School, rental property investing, and flipping houses. So you can check them out. Again, I've got lifetime access memberships for a one-time fee, or you can pay, I think on the Real Estate Investing School, a monthly subscription, but once you cancel your subscription, you'll lose your access. So I recommend just do the one-time fee, get it over with. It's going to be worth it. You're going to get your money back because you're going to be learning things that's going to help you make a lot of money through real estate investing down the road. So it's worth investing in the education in the meantime. So you can check out current pricing plans. Now they are going to change over time because I'm adding more content. We're growing, we're scaling. So if you notice that the price has gone up, that is why we are going to be, upping the price from time to time. But for right now, you can kind of get the early bird special pricing. So thanks so much for watching. And if you want free content, you don't have to pay for this. You can just watch videos that I make for my YouTube channel. But if you want all these resources in one resource library location to browse through, then I recommend checking out Real Estate Investing School by Nick Foy at asknickfoy.teachable.com.